So, hello everyone, good evening everyone. My name is Anchal Sharma, your English teacher. Uh, Before proceeding ahead, let's have a glimpse of what we are actually going to do in the entire course. Okay? We'll be dividing English into three different parts: grammar, vocabulary, and third one will be your reading part. Okay? Parts of speech, articles, tenses, etc., etc., 10 to 12 lectures topics will be included in your grammar part. ठीक है, ये synonyms, antonyms, idiom phrases, one word substitution हम vocabulary के अंडर करेंगे. ठीक है, then rest is reading comprehension or close test, or easiest of them is para jumbles that we include in the reading part. ठीक है, as far as these examinations are concerned, we have observed कि जो ग्रामर का वेटेज है दैट इज लिटिल बिटल डिक्रीजिंग, मींस इंपॉर्टेंस थोड़ी कम हो रही है, बट वोकैबुलरी का इंपॉर्टेंस बहुत ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो साइड बाय साइड वोकैबुलरी, सी वी कैन नॉट लीव ग्रामर एट ऑल, एक भी टॉपिक हम छोड़ नहीं सकते हैं, वी कैन नॉट लीव इट एट ऑल, बट येस वी नीड टू फोकस more on the vocab, right? Although I'll be trying to cover the vocab also with the prefix, suffix, or make you learn in some easier way, but still you have to do that part by your own. ठीक है, आपका अपना एफर्ट बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वायर्ड है. सेकेंडली, if you can go for or fetch some time, then please do newspaper reading. ठीक है, कोई भी एक न्यूज़पेपर रेगुलर बेसिस पे, एडिटोरियल पेज और समथिंग, ट्रिब्यून ही सही, इजी से इजी न्यूज़पेपर, प्लीज एडिटोरियल पेपर रीड करने की, पेज रीड करने की कोशिश करो, अदरवाइज वोकैबुलरी कहीं ना कहीं आपको चीट कर देगी. ठीक है, तो दिस इज समथिंग यू हैव टू डू ऑन योर ओन. व्हाट आई कैन डू इज व्हाट एवर आई हैव collected up till so far during these 7 to 8 years of my teaching, whatever I have collected or I have bank question banks, I'll be sharing with you people. ठीक है, let's start with English grammar. See, before starting with the grammar, uh, let's start it with what is a sentence. A sentence is composed of subject, verb and object. ठीक है, say what is a subject? The one who performs an action, the one who performs an action, doer, जिसे doer करता बोलते हैं. ठीक है, और ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? ऑन विच एक्शन इज डन और परफॉर्म्ड, राइट? अब सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट होते क्या है? या तो सब्जेक्ट या ऑब्जेक्ट नाउन होते हैं, या फिर क्या होता है? प्रोनाउन. सेम गोज विद द ऑब्जेक्ट पार्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट इज ईदर अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन. तो दो बेसिक टॉपिक्स तो इसके अंडर आ जाते हैं कि ईदर दे आर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस और द ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? जो वर्ब से पहले आता है, the word which comes before the verb is a subject, and the word which is after the verb is object. Okay, subject preceded by subject and followed by object, right? This construction of sentence is clear, where the subject or the object or noun or pronoun are, you know, located in a sentence, right? Now let's start with the nouns. Let's start with the nouns chapter. What are nouns? What are nouns? Name of a place, person, thing. Noun. We have heard about 5 types of nouns. What are those 5 types? Proper noun, common noun, any else? Abstract noun, material noun. What else? Collective noun. Example of proper noun. My name is Anchal. Anchal is, if I'll talk about, if in Gyan Sagar they'll talk about Anchal, what do you mean by the subject? Means they are referring to English. Proper name, specific name, Anchal. Chandigarh, if we talk about Chandigarh, means we are talking about this place where we are. ठीक है? Common noun. Now, name which can be given to more than one person or thing: boy, girl, man, women, etc. Right? Abstract noun. Abstract nouns are the nouns, means it's a state of mind or emotion. अगर मैं इसका एग्जाम्पल लूं, मीन्स इफ आई टॉक अबाउट काइंडनेस, I talk about honesty, I talk about happiness. They are abstract nouns. They cannot be seen, they cannot be touched, they can be felt. It's a state of mind or some emotion. Material noun. Material noun, anything which acts as a material to form the other thing, that is material noun. Example: water, alcohol, gold, silver, wood. They are material nouns. Wood से बनता है टेबल, तो wood is a material noun. Collective noun, name given to a collection of things. Players की collection को क्या बोलते हैं? Judges की collection को क्या कहते हैं? Court, jury. ठीक है? Collection of flowers. Okay, these are collective nouns. I think you have done this chapter with me already. No? Okay. Collective nouns. Have you written? Write down. These are collective nouns. I'll give them you time to write. Wait. Okay. Wait, guys. We can proceed ahead. I'll give you time to write down. Okay. Next are 5. These are the things we have already studied in our junior classes, right? Now the thing left is countables and uncountables. Countables and uncountables. Uncountables. As the name suggests, countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted, जिन्हें गिना जा सकता है. If you are able to count, means either they are singular, either it is one, or they are plural. First point. Either they are singular nouns or plural nouns. But if I talk about uncountables, means they are always singular, because they are uncountables. They will always counted as one entity. They are always singular. They do not have their plural forms. Got it? We can put a and an before countable nouns. We can put a or an before countable nouns, but here we can only use the not a and. ठीक है? a और an यहाँ पे यूज नहीं हो सकता अनकाउंटेबल से पहले. We can add certain adjectives: many, few, a few, a number of, the number of, etc. क्योंकि ये काउंटेबल्स है. लेकिन अनकाउंटेबल के साथ वी कैन ओनली यूज मच, लिटिल, क्वांटिटी ऑफ, एटसेट्रा. Much, little, quantity of, etc. Example of countables. Example of countables. Apple is countable? Obviously. Rupees are countable? Yes. What about amount? Amounts होता है? Amount. Knowledge is countable, uncountable? Uncountable. Knowledge is uncountable. Time is countable or uncountable? Time is uncountable. If I talk about hours, minutes, then they are countable. Got it or not? Don't worry, I'm going to give you time to write. I'll be moving these slides, don't worry. ठीक है? Got it? So concept of types of nouns is clear. अब question is कि how to make out whether the subject or the noun of the sentence is singular or plural. This entire chapter revolves around finding out whether the subject is singular or plural. Singular है तो accordingly singular subject verb लगाओगे. If the subject is plural तो accordingly कौन सा verb? Plural है तो कौन सा verb? Plural verb लगाओगे. Means the story or the crux of this chapter will revolve around this thing only. कि आपका subject क्या है, कैसा है, you have to make it out. You have to find out. ठीक है? There are certain important points under this, which you can say rules also. Important points. Important rules or important points to remember. Point number 1. This point says there are many such nouns which will always take s after them. First thing, they will always take s after them. They will always be plural. And if they are plural, they will always take plural verb. Means if these words which I'm going to dictate, if these words will act as noun, they will always exist in plural form. ठीक है? Write down. Scissors, comma tongs, comma pliers. Scissors, comma tongs, comma pliers, comma embers, comma fireworks. Scissors, comma tongs, comma fires, comma ends, proceeds, remains, proceeds, remains. There are many such words. There are many such words like savings, valuables, etc. There's a long list of such words which will always come with s after them. Means they will always exist in plural form and they will always take which verb? Plural verb. The proceeds deposited with the bank. Now, just now I told you which kind of noun is this? Plural noun. Was या were? क्या आएगा? Was or were? Proceeds, plural noun. This will take were deposited with the bank. You can add certain words, thanks, manners, congratulations. ये abstract words हैं. Congratulations. These are always plural. Earnings, riches, funds, goods, clothes, belongings. ये सब क्या है? Plural. Belongings. They are always plural. They will always take plural verb with them. The outskirts of Washington. Next example. Wait. The outskirts of Washington. The outskirts of Washington dash really pretty. Is or are? If I continue this sentence, and they stretch for miles. So it is going to take a plural verb. It should be are. The outskirts of Washington are really pretty and they stretch for miles. Got it or not? Next, point number 2 says, point number 2. Point number 2 says, there are certain nouns, write down, there are certain nouns that sound plural. There are certain nouns that sound plural but are singular. But are singular in form. And thus they will always take, which verb? Singular verb. For example, athletics, economics, billiards, darts, phonetics, phonetics, economics, mumps, disease, rickets, etc. These words seems to be plural. Why? Because they are carrying s after them. S is सब में नजर आ रहा है. S is सब में नजर आ रहा है. We are able to find S. लेकिन S होने के बावजूद भी they are not plural in sense. They are singular. They are singular. Billiards dash an interesting game. Yes. Which kind of noun it is? Singular noun. So it will take is or are. Is an interesting game. Billiards is. One more example. One more example. Ethics dash honesty. Demand or demands? Demand or demands? Ethics. Singular subject, singular noun or singular subject, whatever you call it. अब हमें वर्ब भी प्लूरल सिंगुलर लगाना है, तो सिंगुलर वर्ब मीन्स जिसके पीछे एस आता है. डिमांड्स ऑनेस्टी. Next point. Next point. Point number 3. Point number 3. Point number 3 says, अब I have discussed 2 category of pronouns with you people. 2 category discuss हो गई है कि फर्स्ट केसेस प्रोनाउन के पीछे एस लगा है, वो प्लूरल नजर आता है, वो प्लूरल ही बिहेव कर रहा है और वो प्लूरल ही वर्ब ले रहा है. सेकेंड केस में सेम केस है, एस आ रहा है वर्ड के पीछे, यू आर सीइंग दैट देयर इज एस विद द ईच वर्ड, बट स्टिल दे आर एक्टिंग एज सिंगुलर एंड दे आर गोइंग टू टेक सिंगुलर वर्ब. नाउ point number 3 was, point number 3 is, we have not discussed yet, right? Point number 3 says, certain nouns like police, cattle, cavalry, infantry, people, clergy, police, cattle, peasantry, children gentry, peasantry, children gentry, etc. They seem to be singular. Cattle single लग रही है, police is people, peasantry s नहीं ना, you are not able to find s here. There is no s वाली form with these words. ठीक है, but still I made you write, there are certain nouns like this which seems to be singular but are actually plural. They seem to be singular but are actually plural. Police are investigating, ना कि is. Police are investigating the crime. Are. The clergy were supportive. Were supportive. Not was. Were supportive. Our infantry have marched forward. Not has marched forward. Got it or not? I hope the thing is clear. कि when you are finding that word is actually plural, seems to be singular, hardly matters. ठीक है, हमें देखना नहीं है कि कैसा दिखता है. Actual में it is plural and it will take plural verb. No doubt. So here in the class we discussed what are nouns, what are the type of nouns. Good morning, don't be sleepy. What are nouns, type of nouns, and majorly in types of nouns we are going to focus on countables and uncountables. Very important questions are asked from this part. Okay, now countables and uncountables are over. We studied few points under them. Then we discussed three different rules, three or four, three different rules under nouns. So in next class we are going to cover the rest, right? Done. Done for today.